Welcome. If you are preparing for SAT and aiming for a top score, you have come to the right place. On this channel, I'll help you master SAT maths, reading, writing, test taking strategies, time management techniques, and everything you need to succeed on test today. Where you are targeting a 1200, 1400, or even a perfect 1600. These lessons are designed to make complex concepts simple and boost your confidence. Subscribe and join thousands of students working towards their dream college admission. Let's learn smarter and score higher and achieve your sad goals together. In the last lecture, that is lecture number 3 of lecture number 3, I've completed all each and every topic related to algebra. That was basic algebra, and this was the assignment I had given to you, and I'll be dropping solution of each and every question. So if you want solution of these questions, let me know. So now today we are going to start a new lesson or new topic that's named linear equation. Linear equation. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, so linear equation. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is gonna nice. Okay. So what is linear equation? We have studied in earlier lectures what is equation, what is linear power of 1. That is, if a variable is having power 1, it's linear, and if it's having 2, so I'll also write if having power 1 linear, power 2, what it's called, quadratic, power 3, it's cubic, and if more than, then we'll like power 4 to the power 4. Okay, so in this way these are pronouns. So now we are going to learn about first linear equation. So like linear equation is same as algebra that we had learned in the earlier classes. Okay, like each and every question are similar to each other. Like let me write some examples. Like 8x plus 9 is equals to 49, and these are very easy problems that you can solve very easily. So algebra mainly the main what I'm gonna teach is linear equation mainly contain equations like these that I had taught you in earlier classes, like see 9x plus 10 is equals to 46, and these are of same type, like 8x plus 9 is equals to 49. So we had already covered up the topic of linear equation, and now we are going to start quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation. So what are quadratic equation? Quadratic equation are the equations that have variable power of x, such as example a to the power 2 plus b to the power 1, b to the power x plus c. So this is representation that how a quadratic equation is represented. In this way quadratic equations are represented. Okay, so like as we had learned earlier, if the like this equation will have only one solution. Okay, only one answer. Like for only one value of x, this equation will satisfy. But the twist in quadratic equation is, if power is 2, so it will have two solution or answers. Like for two value of x, the equation will get satisfied. Okay, so there are three methods to solve a quadratic equation. So like, let me turn the page. Methods to solve quadratic equation. Method to solve quadratic equation. Okay, so there are mainly three methods. One is factorization. Second is squaring, or what we can call it, squaring method. Like, yes, squaring method. And third is formula method. So I am gonna teach you each and every method, but what you have to use mainly this factorization or formula method. If the question is not getting solved by factorization, like there are some cases in which the value of x are not a number, they are in form of, not like, they are not real roots, they are imaginary roots. So at that time we have to use some different methods to solve. So I will tell you, like, I will solve one question by three methods. Okay, so I will take one example. Wait a second. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you. Let's take one example. Example 1, that is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So in factorization, what we have to do, we have to take this the multiplication of x square, that is constant and variable. Okay, so this is constant and this is variable. So 6x square, this is product. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, so we have to split this term, so that if split this term in two values, that its addition or subtraction is minus 5x. So if we factorize this, like 6x, 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so 3 and 2, 3x and 2x, but here it is 5 minus 5x, so we will add this minus sign to here. Okay, so these are factors of this equation. So what we'll do, we will substitute these factors here. Okay, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now we will take common in these two terms are x, so x we take common, x minus 3. Okay, so we will take minus 2 out. Okay, so x plus 3. So we have factors x plus 3, no, sorry, x minus 3, I'm very sorry, x minus 3 and x minus 2. So what we have to do, we have to make this equation equal. So x minus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to 2. So 2 and 3 are solution of our equation. So we can even cross check also. Okay, so x is equals to 2. For x is equals to 2, the equation is x square minus 5x plus 6. So x square 4 minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0, is equals to 0. Hence it's 0 is equals to 0, that is LHS is equal to RHS. And for x is equals to 3, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. 9 minus 15 plus 6 is equals to 0, that is 0 is equals to 0. So the value of x for the equation is 3 and 5. Okay, so now I am gonna solve this question by quadratic formula. The method is also known as quadratic formula. Okay, so let's do the formula for equation is the see, we have two roots, so formula is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole root upon 2a. So this is the formula. So if I take the main equation, that is I had given you below, like this was the main equation. So the main equation representation form. So a x square plus bx plus c, this is a, this is b, and this is c. Okay, so you have to learn this formula. So we will get two like let's take 2 root as alpha and beta. Okay, let's take 2 root as alpha and beta. Okay, so this is alpha and this is beta. Right, this is alpha and this is beta. So alpha is equals to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? Let me see that I have written the formula correct. Yes, and the beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so we can even solve one like example. 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we will compare, hence a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to minus 2. So we will put the formula from here, minus b minus 3 plus minus root b square minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 2 upon 2a upon 2 into 2, that is minus 3 get plus 3 plus minus root 9 minus, okay, so 9 minus this minus 4 to the 8 to the 16, minus 16 upon 4 is equals to 3 plus minus root 25 upon 4. So 25 can be written, root 25 can be written as 5, because 3 plus minus 5 by 4. So the value of alpha is, so alpha is equals to 3 plus 5 by 4 is equals to 8 by 4 is equals to 2, and beta is equals to 3 minus 5 by 4, that is 2 by 4, minus 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. So these alpha and beta, alpha comma beta, alpha is equals to 2 and beta is equals to minus 1 by 2. These are root of equation. Okay, so guys, this is enough for today. In next class we will study about nature of root, so you can easily find out that the equation has roots or not. So I am done for today. Thank you and have a nice day.